Hey everyone, today we're showcasing Gieanoo Floating Shelves made from 100% premium solid oak wood with a beautiful rustic finish. These shelves feature a protective ledge in front to keep your books, photos, plants, and knick-knacks securely in place. Measuring 36 inches long and available in various widths, they're designed to fit any room like the living room, kitchen, or bedroom. Crafted for durability, each shelf supports up to 45 pounds, making them perfect for heavier items. Their natural wood grain and knots add a unique charm that MDF shelves just can't match. These floating shelves help you save space while organizing clutter stylishly and efficiently. Upgrade your wall storage with these sturdy, functional, and elegant oak ledges today. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.